our room. Ano pwede sa sopa? Thank you so much for your help.
Enjoy your stay.
Yes.
O, dito na lang ako.
Dito. Thank you. Michelle, di pa naman tayo aalis. Kaya okay lang kung gustong magbigay mamaya. So, meron pa tayong balcony. So, we have here our balcony. Here, our balcony. Nagkakantahan sila dun. Mga Pinoy din siguro yung mga gifts.
Ang layo sa kabinas na ng ating.
Oo.
Ganito nga nung last year din, kaya nga nagpunta sila lahat sa kwarto lang namin kung saan yung may ano doon.
Bakit ganito? Pero hayaan mo na what to do.
Maganda yung dati.
Maganda yung isang, so parang isang ganito lang natin.
First floor lahat na.
Ko alam kung paano ito buksan, but yeah. Ano yun? Saan yung switch? Okay. Entrance. Make-up room. Here, but I don't know where is the switch. Okay, here. Ano ka?
Oo, naiinihin ako.
Teka. Ba't ayaw? Ayan. Here, it's complete. So, may ganyan. And then, here, it's sauna or... Oh, dali.
So yes guys, so actually nahihiya tayong magsalita dito dahil syempre we are new in the company at hindi naman nila alam na tayo'y nag-vlog. So yeah, so
Talaga sila ng lagi. Video ay.
Between 5 to 6:30, we're gonna do a football match and the beach games together. At 7 o'clock, we have a dinner planned, and then we do some dancing, and we also brought our projector, so we could do a movie night as well for those who would like to have. And then from 9 o'clock, we have a FIFA match, as you guys know. So with a prize of 1,000 dirham. So those who would like to compete, boys, girls, whoever. So it's going to be a FIFA night from 9. We have booked a separate room, as you guys know. So this room is dedicated just for anybody. So whoever wants to come and have fun, hang out, drink, or whatever you want to do. Don't think that you cannot do it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Alright? Good. So, let's have fun, guys. So, now, we have the mic and we have a headphone and a speaker here. I know that the majority of our Kabayang, they love to sing karaoke. So, if one wants to do it, so you are welcome. The mic is here. You can choose your song. And let's have fun until we reach our kilo. Alright?
Lullaby yung kinakanta. Where have you been? You went there in the beach? You already checked? 1901. I don't know where he's going. Yes. So, di ko alam kung saan kami dadalhin. Michelle! Sasakay ba tayo niyan? Ah, okay. This is exciting. Gonna ride this one. Going to our room. Okay. Michelle, sa likod ka. Bye-bye! Ayun. Thank you so much. floor.
Susundan ko.
Yes guys, so galing kami sa dagat. So this time we're gonna have a quick change and taking bath for our dinner and some other activities. So yes, for the part 2. What's up? Bye bye. Yes, we're going for our dinner for tonight, of course, for tonight because it's dinner. So yeah, and then we have some games and all activity. So keep watching. Outfit check. Bye bye. Dayak-dayak. So, day 2, we're gonna do some activity again.
So dahil ang ating melasma ay sobrang exposed na sa init, ang ganda ng lugar actually dito. It's just that hindi ako pwede ma-expose masyado sa init. Medyo hindi mainit yung hangin, pero mainit yung sun. Hindi siya humid, I mean to say. Pero bawal sa akin yung sobrang init sa melasma ko. So, yeah. We're gonna have some activity. Then, activity pwedeng maligo sa langat or sa winter kaya lang. Ayoko na, lumid lang ako kahapon. So, ang beauty natin yun. Ha?
Yes! Here we go! Init. But yeah, it's worth it naman. Yeah. Init, init, init. Yes, we're going home. Ikaw lang naka-white. Naka-black kaming dalawa. Ano, Michelle? Sasayaw ba tayo? Naka-white ka rin pala naman. Isa ka, Michelle. Uwian na. Eds! Dumi mo. Yes! Here again, our bus. So it's time to say bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I want to sleep. Kanya-kanya tayo ng lugar para makatulog.